John here, founder, CEO of Wizards Products here at SEALANT 2018 with the Wizards tip. Shine Master Polish and Sealant. This is our flagship product, what we started the company on. It's a one-step cleaner, polish, and breathable paint sealant used by thousands of body shops as a final step after buffing. Leaves an awesome gloss, nice protection. Best of all, allows the paint to breathe, allows all the solvents to get out. It's great as a wax replacement. It's also a great product to recommend to the customer after the paint job to keep your work looking great. Easy on, easy off, awesome gloss. The more coats, the more shine. Great protection, shine, all in one step.